Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about a new and very important topic in microeconomics, which is market structure. Up to now, we have learned how demand and supply determine prices and quantities. Now we will examine how different types of markets influence the behavior of firms. We will start with perfect competition. So, what is market structure? Market structure refers to the conditions that characterize an industry. These conditions include how many sellers are in the market, how easy or difficult it is for new firms to enter, and the type of products that firms sell. Based on these characteristics, economists classified markets into four main types: perfect competition, monopolist competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. Each of these structures leads to different firm behavior, pricing decisions, and outcomes in the market. Now let's focus on perfect competition. A perfectly competitive market is one where each firm faces many competitors selling identical products. Because the products are the same, consumers do not prefer one firm's product over another. There are four key conditions that define perfect competition. First, there are many firms producing identical products. This means the goods are completely interchangeable. Second, there are many buyers and sellers, so no single individual or firm has control over the market. Third, both buyers and sellers have full information, allowing them to make rational decisions. Fourth, firms can enter and exit the market freely without barriers. Because of these conditions, firms in perfect competition are called price takers. Now let's carefully understand what it means to be a price taker. In a perfectly competitive market, the overall market determines the price through the interaction of demand and supply. An individual firm is so small relative to the market that it cannot influence this price. No matter how much it produces, it cannot push the price up or down. This means the firm must accept the market price, which we denoted as P0. From the firm's perspective, the demand curve it faces is perfectly elastic, meaning it is a horizontal line at the market price. The firm can sell as much as it wants at that price, but it cannot charge a higher price because consumers would simply buy from another seller. This is a key idea. The firm has control over quantity, but not over price. It is important to note that perfect competition is an idealized model. In reality, markets are rarely perfectly competitive. However, some markets come close. Agricultural markets, roadside produce markets, and small organic farms are often used as examples because they involve many sellers offering very similar products. In these markets, individual sellers must accept the price determined by the overall market. Because firms cannot control price, their main decision becomes how much to produce. This is the central question for firms in perfect competition. So when analyze perfectly competitive firms, we focus on one key decision: choosing the quantity of output that maximize profit. Thank you for watching.